Good day and welcome to the GTKYC class, the Get to Know Your Computer class. Today I'll be teaching you how to use Canva to design your logo and also make flyers. My name is Maybe Friday Udoite and this class is proudly sponsored by the MFU Digital Solutions. If you don't have Canva installed on your phone, you can visit the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store to download Canva on your phone. So what you want to do first is to download this app on your phone. The next thing you want to do is to click on the Canva app on your phone and it will bring you here. On this page, you're going to see a lot of things that Canva can do for you. You can use it for your flyers, your logo, for video. You can use it to design your Instagram posts. If you want to make any kind of post at all, depending on the social media platform you're posting it, just come to Canva. Canva has all the templates that suits every social media platform. But like I mentioned earlier, we're going to be working on logo and flyer today. So the first template you're going to click is the logo template. You click it open. So you select logo and then you see a lot of logo displayed for you, a lot of templates that you can choose from to design your logo. But what is important is that you see that search icon at the top of the logo section. Just click it, type the kind of business you're doing. If you're selling food, just write food logo. If you're into real estate, write real estate logo. If you're into tech, write tech logo. If you're into any kind of services, just write the services and then you write logo so that it will bring logos that are under those categories for you easily. So now the next thing you want to do is go through these logos, see the one that you like, maybe the color, by the text, by the background, by the way they designed it. Just pick one out of this logo. I think I found the one we're going to be using. We're going to be using this on the road daily orange. So after finding the logo you want to work with, click on it and it will load. So after loading, this is where your creativity has to come in. Don't just remove these daily oranges you're seeing and just write the name of your brand and you say you have a logo. It is very wrong. You need to add some level of professionalism when you're working on your logo because people are going to be seeing your logo before they see you. And trust me, you don't want them to be seeing Nkechi's logo on your own. So to effect these changes, click on elements. Then you type any item you want to use to decorate your logo to give it a different look. So this is me typing fork and spoon, and then I'll click on search button. Then it will bring out different kind of fork and spoon pictures for me, both in pictures, in graphics, in videos, and all of that. I clicked on photos, but I didn't like what I was saying, so I had to remove the spoon. I wrote fork and spoon before now, so now I removed the spoon. I just left only fork on the search bar, and then I will allow it to load. After loading, I screwed down and then I found what I wanted, which is a fork and a knife. And all you need to do is click on it and it will be imported into your workspace. You can crop it and, just find a way to, fix it somewhere. As you can see, it is already giving this logo a different look, right? So the next thing I want to do is I want to remove a letter from this daily and I want to replace it with this fork and knife. So I'm going to remove the Y and then I'm going to replace the Y with this fork and knife. Look at the fork and the knife. The way the fork and the knife is, it's giving the Y vibe, right? So I don't need this Y that was there again, right? So I'm just going to replace the Y with the fork and a knife. I think this is the point. You guys need to scream creativity because, come on, how did I come up with this? That's why I said this is where your creativity needs to set in. You have to think critically. So the next thing you want to do is click on elements again. It will bring you here. You might see these leaves, you might not see these leaves, but if you don't see it, just click on the search bar, type it, and it will bring out different kind of leaves for you. You just pick one, select it, it will automatically load on your workspace. Then you crop it and drop it where you want it to be. So the next thing that came to my mind is to change the color of the fonts, right? So I clicked on letter D and I changed it to green, and I just kept clicking on those letters and changing their colors to green. And so the next thing you're going to do is click on the background of the logo, the write-ups, the background, the white background you're seeing, and change the color to any kind of color. You can leave the white, you can change it to black, you can maintain the white background, you understand? But then I changed it to black. Then I had to screenshot it, then crop it to save it on my phone. Why did I do that? Sometimes when you download your logo directly, when you click on that download icon at the top of your screen, as you're seeing now, when you click on it and it downloads on your phone, and when you click on it and it downloads on your phone, when you go to pick the pictures are not always sharp. The pictures are not always sharp, so I prefer to screenshot it, crop it, and then save it on my phone. So now that we're done with our logo, the next thing is to design the flyer that we want to use the logo on, right? So now you go on your Canva homepage. So now I go on the search bar and then I type food flyers because I want to work on a food flyer. So if you're working on anything, if it is fashion, you click fashion flyers. Like I said in the beginning, right? The same thing you do when you are searching for a logo is the same thing you do when you're searching for a flyer. But this time you're not going to write logo at the end, you're going to write flyer at the end. So right now I'm searching for food flyers. And so this is what they gave me, and then I'm going to choose one of this to work on. And let's go with this fast food restaurant. So I'm choosing this fast food restaurant. Let it load. It is okay. It is loading. Yeah, see now, I get eyes for good things. So this is the flyer we're going to be working on. And as you can see, they're selling burgers and all of those fried things. And what I want to advertise or what I want to post about is food. So I'm going to replace all this picture with my own products. I'll replace those burgers with my own kind of food that I want to advertise. So the next step you want to take is to remove the background of all the pictures you want to upload into this box that you want to use to replace these burgers and the rest. You need to remove their background. So you click your phone home button, you open photo room. So first of all, you remove the background of the logo you have designed, and then you minimize that page, go back to Canva and start replacing all the orange colors with green. I'm working with green because what I am designing has to do with food, and we all know food carries color green. So I'm going to change everything that has the color orange to green, and then I'm going to import my logo, remove the restaurant, the roads there, adjust the fast food. Basically, I'm just going to adjust everything and put it the way I want it to be. Just arrange it in a way that is going to be very catchy. You know, when people see your flyer, they will just be like, let me read through this flyer. It looks beautiful, it looks flashy and all of that. So just arrange it nicely, and then you change what the roads there. You put your own description or whatever it is you want to talk about. If you want to put your address, if you want to put your location, if you have a promo, you just fill in everything, and then you replace your phone number with your phone number. Just basically replace everything with your own information, and that is it. So the next step is for you to start replacing the pictures there with your own products or services, right? You just keep doing it repeatedly. You click on the picture that is already there, and then you look down, you see replace picture, you select replace picture. It will take you down to your gallery. You pick the picture you want to use. It will automatically upload. Then you click on it and it will appear on the spots you clicked. If the pictures you have on your phone concerning your products is not doing justice, you can always go to Google, search for what you're looking for, click on images, and start downloading the pictures you want. Like this one, I was looking for salad platter. I don't have salad platter on my phone, so I had to come here, download it, and go to photo room, remove the background, and then upload it on my Canva. So that is it. But you want to make sure everything is in the right position, and then you screenshot, like I said earlier, crop out the areas you don't need, and then you save your flyers, and that's it, guys. I'm done creating a flyer for my business. What do you think? If you see this flyer anywhere, won't you stop, pause to see what they wrote on it or what they are advertising with it? So guys, we've come to the end of designing flyers and logos using Canva. The next video I'm going to be dropping for you is how you can build a website using Canva. How you can build a website using Canva. If you have any question regarding this class, send me a message and I'll respond immediately. Bye.